Hoo-hoo-hoo. Go around with some blue. Oh yeah. Island Fishbowl. What's he doing? Watch this. Now, we're coming behind this with some ice. Why ice, guy? Because we got to start with a piña colada. So you grab your coconut rum, and then you pour in 1, 2, 3, 4, piña colada more. Now, I'm coming behind that homeboy with my cream of coconut, okay? Because this what makes a piña colada delicioso, okay? You know, your boy knows Spanish, delicioso. Come on now, come on. Give me some credit, okay? Now, we need pineapple juice, because the piña colada is just pineapple juice, cream of coconut, and rum. Not even coconut rum, white rum. We good there? Is it? Beautiful. Now, homeboy, we seal this bad boy up, like so. Get our blender on here, like so, and then we hit. Oh, snap, look at that. And you go in, and you just start dropping bombs. Oh yeah, come on man, look at that gooey goodness. Look at that chunkiness, homeboy. Ooh, look at that. Drop that in there like that, fine. Now you see the island, right? An island is surrounded by what? Water. So let's get some ice water in there. Fishes. Fishes. What is the plural of fish? Because I grew up knowing the plural of fish to be fish. Okay? Now I hear fishes. More rum! 1, 2, 3, 4, get some rum, more cool. Island punch pucker. Add some blue and you feel new blue. Notice my singing? Beautiful. Now come behind with a little lemon lime soda. That we won't call Sprite because it's not right and we might get sued.
It is Sprite.
We'll just call it lemon lime soda. Hopefully they don't sue. Now come in with the blue so you can feel new too. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Go around with some blue. Oh yeah. We come to our little mountain top and we put a little cherry on top. Then you stick a little umbrella in, keep the sun out your eyes. Then you realize you might need a drink, so you want to put some straw inside. And there you have it, homeboy. The Island Fishbowl. Because fishing is what we do. Don't drink and drive.
Drinking is what we do.
Hey, we drink responsibly. And we never drink and drive. Always remember that. All right? Later. Wash your hands.